Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Samsung Galaxy A07 and let me share with you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So let's start with finding and opening the settings, and here let me actually maybe change the brightness, lower it a little bit so you will be able to actually see what's happening on the screen. So here in the settings we have to scroll and find Wallpaper and Style. So here let's tap on Change Wallpapers, and we've been transferred to the pre-installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So we've got graphical options. Here we've got the colors. The dynamic option means that it is animated. Here we've got wallpaper services, so dynamic lock screen and Samsung global goals. We can also get more wallpapers, so we can enter Galaxy themes. So if you've got the internet connection, then you will be able to you will be able to enter the themes and check some online options. Of course you will need to sign in, so create the Samsung account. So let me pick something from pre-installed options. Maybe I don't want to focus too much on finding the wallpaper, so let me choose. I don't like them. So let me pick this one. So just tap on the wallpaper, and now we can decide where we want to set it, so as a lock screen, home screen, or both. Also, before I'll do that, I just wanted to show you that obviously you can enter your own gallery and set your own photo as a wallpaper, so just a quick disclaimer. Alright, so now you can mark the options. I'll pick both and then tap on next. So right here we've got the preview of the lock screen here, so we can tap on colors, and if we want to, we can change the intensity. We can also change the colors themselves, as you can see. We can also change the style. So right here we've got this gradient option, but we can also pick the different angle of the gradient. We can also change it to this, I'm not sure how to explain this effect, but I like that one. Here we've got something like that, and here like that. I think I'll stick to this one. It's quite pretty, and I think those colors are nice. Obviously we can change them here and change the intensity, so we can make them either more pale or more vibrant. I think I'll stick to this one. You can also tap on this color palette, let's say, and here we can choose the specific color we would like to use, so you do not need to choose from the presets. So as you can see, it is highly customizable, but I will pick this one. So now let's simply tap on done, and as you can see, the wallpaper has been applied successfully. We can check it right here also. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.